Ladies and gentlemen, this is the video guide about getting rid of the ransomware called Kmbgdftfgdlf. Well, this is the ransomware type infection that encrypts files and damages them considerably. Very soon, users realize that they cannot access their data anymore because of this horrible ransomware in place. So the ransomware encrypts files and it damages them. It's not possible to use the data anymore. The ransomware adds this encrypted extension to the file names, and obviously it's not possible to open these files, and it gives some message, I guess it is in Russian. It also drops some other ransom note indicating that the ransom needs to be paid for file recovery. But paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration. People who paid that ransom simply wasted their money for nothing. So don't do that. Don't ever pay that ransom. Don't fulfill the misleading commands by this ransomware with such a weird name. We recommend you to immediately scan your computer to remove this ransomware with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page kmbgdftfgdlf.com. Download the software, install it, then click on Start Scan button. Well, most likely the program will first of all update its anti-malware database. The program is initially in the trial mode. Only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. Keep in mind that Combo Cleaner doesn't decrypt files. It helps to remove this ransomware and to protect the data with this anti-ransomware feature. But Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files, and there is no any other software that would decrypt files like that. Anyway, at the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats that were revealed on the computer. You can see that Combo Cleaner has successfully detected this ransomware. We recommend that you upgrade to Premium to make sure that your data is always protected, and you may request for the free trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner. Also, in the description to this video, please find a special article that will give you more information on how to remove this ransomware and to decrypt your data.